Hello everyone, it's me, Jimmy, and welcome back to the Satoshi Chase, where profits are tiny, the market moves slower than my Wi-Fi, and I pretend to know what I'm doing. Today's market is technically going up, but so slowly I can't tell if it's bullish momentum or just my vision glitching from staring too long. I did manage to cash out a few cents. Not literally, of course, because no ATM accepts emotional profit, but I'll take it. So today, I want to talk about something important, how movement isn't the same as momentum and why zooming out might actually save your sanity. Let's first check the charts. We can see the Binance coin went up. Oh, I'm going to close it now. Yep, 3 cents. It's 3 cents, but look at the graphic over here. It went so high. How high? Around almost 2% up, which is nice movement if you ask me. And now it's starting to go down. I don't think it's going to go quite low, but who knows. We got 3 cents. 3 cents is better than no cents, you know. Okay, I don't know why I my keyboard isn't working. Okay, buying the lowest possible amount. Let's check the Solana chart. There are no such big movements over here. Just slight movement up, so slight it's negligible. Cardano is slightly going up as well, but oh, BNB we can see it's going up again. But yeah, so slow. I wouldn't even bother looking at it twice today. The Bitcoin price almost the same, 2% up from a few hours until now. And that red candle, which might mean it's going down, but it also might mean it's a slight correction before going up. So yeah, looking at this chart, you would say it's going up, it's definitely going up, there is nothing stopping it, but zooming out, I'm not quite sure if it really means it's going up. I would say it would go down, but who knows. Let's talk about something I've been feeling today. And if you've ever watched charts for more than 5 minutes, you felt it too. Is the market actually going up, or am I just dehydrated? Today, prices are technically rising, emphasizing on technically. We're talking tiny moves, microscopic gains, the kind of upward momentum that makes you question whether TradingView is glitching or your eyes are. And that brings me to today's very deep, very philosophical lesson. Zoom out in both your charts and your brain. See, when you're staring at the 1 minute or 5 minute chart, everything looks dramatic. One green candle, bull run. One red one, full meltdown. Sell everything, run for your life. But when you zoom out to the 4-hour, daily, or even weekly chart, you realize most of those movements were basically background noise. It's the difference between looking at the waves and realizing, oh, that's not a tsunami. That's just someone throwing a rock in the water. Today, the market is moving, Barely, but it is. And if you only look close up, it might feel like action. You might get tricked into jumping into a trade just because something's technically green. But zoom out, and you'll see. Momentum matters more than movement. You don't need to act on every twitch. You need to wait for trends, patterns, conviction. Because chasing tiny moves, that's not strategy. That's ice train with commission fees. So yeah, I made a few cents today, emotionally cashed out. But the big win, I didn't get baited into over trading a sleepy market pretending to be exciting. And that, my friends, is growth. Financially? No. Emotionally? Slightly. Spiritually? Undecided. Let's, however, check our profit and loss details. We can see today's profit, 3 cents. Yep, it's over here. We were even yesterday, which is again okay. Let's see from the beginning. We have 13 winning days and 6 losing days, which is more than 2 times wins than loses. And again, just to remind you, those losing days are actually fees, not our positions being closed on loss. Our total profit, $7.58. We are almost at the $10 profit, which is great again, given the budget we are trading with. It's quite a good result. And yeah, we at some point we'll move those into this, and we'll keep moving. Today's episode is going to be short as well as the previous few, because there is not much we can do over here. The market is really slow, barely anything is happening, and we have almost no work over here. You can see the weekly chart, barely any movement. Last week, yeah, it was dynamic, looks nice, but this week really slow. Zooming out, not much is happening. Hourly chart, even the hourly chart is not interesting. But hey, sometimes we need to be quick, we need to be fast, and we need to prioritize our other work or job, or maybe ourselves. Not everything is charts, coins, and profits and losses, of course, because you can't have the one without the other. And that's it for today's episode. A few cents in the green, no emotional damage, and one deep philosophical takeaway. Just because the chart moved doesn't mean you had to like, comment, subscribe, or just stare at your screen like I do, wondering if that 0.0002% price change means you're early to a pump or just chronically bored. I'll be back tomorrow, unless the market moves so slow it goes backwards. See you then. Peace.